Hey guys, you're welcome back to the Research Campus. In today's tutorials, I'm going to be showing you how I automate workflows and social media posting on all of my clients' social media sites as a freelance social media manager. But before we dive right into the tutorials, if this is your first time of stopping by the channel, hi there, my name is Risa. I'm a Cameroonian YouTuber and a freelance social media manager. On this channel, I make videos on tech productivity and also show you tips and tricks on how you can make genuine money online right at the comfort of your home. So if you enjoy such content, please do well to hit the subscribe button down below, and do not also forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you're going to be the first to know. So without further ado, let's get right into the tutorials. The website we're going to be using is called Metrical. Metrical is a free social media scheduling software. With this software, you're able to automate posting to your social sites. You can get access to this tool for free. So let's go to the pricing and check it out. So under the pricing, you can see that it gives you a free plan where you're able to manage a single brand. Now, a single brand is basically the social sites that you created using a particular email address. So if you have one email address and you use that email address to create your Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and other social sites, then that is a single brand. So you're able to manage those brands on this website. So as long as the social sites are being created using this email address, then you're able to manage it here. But excluding LinkedIn, as you can see, you'll not be able to manage your LinkedIn page or profile if you're using the free plan. Another option the free plan gives you is that you're able to schedule 50 pieces of content per month on the website. You can also analyze 5 competitors' profile in your niche, and you're able to create one link in bio, and also it also gives you analytics for each of your sites, that is for your Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So you can analyze your sites and see how your post is performing, how your page is growing or not. And you can also utilize the AI assistant to generate copy for you right on the platform. If you're a social media manager and you have probably 2 different brands or 2 different clients that you need to manage your brands, then it will be a better option for you to upgrade to their paid plan. So you can go ahead to use the starter plan, which is $18 per month, as it gives you more services. You are able to manage your LinkedIn profile and pages right within the website, and also create and schedule more content right on the website. So to get access to this tool, simply come up here where it says sign up here, click on the link. Now it's going to take you to this site where you need to put in your email address and to put in a password. So you can do just that, or you can use your Facebook to register on the platform. Just click on continue with Facebook. But I already have an account, so what I'm going to do is to just click on the login option right down there. Now this is where it takes us under the summary option. As you can see, you see immediately the different pages. You can see the different social sites available right here. That is the Facebook. You can also see LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, TikTok, and so much more. Now to connect a page, you can just simply click on each of them and you can connect the social sites. For Facebook, you are able to connect just a Facebook page and a group. So those are the 2 options that it gives you. As for Instagram, you can only connect a business Instagram account to this website. Now, if you have just a personal Instagram account, I'm going to show you in another video how you can convert your personal Instagram account to a business Instagram account. So the link of the video is going to be in the description box. So make sure you check it out. Another way you can connect pages is to go to the left hand side where you see the different social media sites. So you're going to see the plus sign attached to them. So you can just click on the plus sign across and then you can connect a page. So let's take a look at how to connect a page. Click the plus sign and you can connect a page or a group. Now I'm going to also use the mobile version so that you have different options. So on the right hand side of your screen is the mobile version. So just click on connect page and it's going to open up the box where you just need to put in your login information. If you want to manage a client's account, then this is where you're going to ask the client to give you the login information of their Facebook or their social media account. So this is where you're going to put in the email address, and then you're going to ask them for the password of their Facebook account, and once they give you, just put it in there and then click login. and it's going to connect it to the site. You can do the same for Twitter. Just connect and put in the login information of the client's account right there, and then click sign in. Now remember, these accounts have to be under the same email address, that is the same brand. So it's the same thing. So just put in the login information, and then you are able to sign in and connect the account. For Instagram, as you can see, you need to connect to a Facebook account first to be able to log in. So that is what this information is giving you. So once you connect to a Facebook account, so it's easy for you to connect to an Instagram business account. Now the next is maybe your YouTube. If you have a YouTube, or the client has a YouTube channel and they want to connect, so they can simply just click on YouTube, choose the Gmail account of that they created the YouTube with, and then it is connected. As for a LinkedIn account, again, you need to upgrade to their paid plan for you to be able to manage your LinkedIn account or page right here. So you can see this is the information because I'm using a free plan as of now. Okay, so that is how you can connect just one brand. Now, assuming that you have two separate brands and you want to connect it to this tool, so you can come right up here where it says empty brand. So that is the brand. Okay, so this is a brand that we have already connected. So just click on that drop down arrow. So this is where you'll be able to add a brand. So as of now, you can see I have two separate brands added right there. So this is my client's brand, and as you can see, I have just Facebook and Twitter connected to that brand, and we have an empty brand that I have no social media site connected to it. So in case you want to add a brand, so all you have to do is to simply click on the plus sign which says add brand, and it's going to take you to the start just like we did, where you can now start adding your social media pages to that particular brand. To work with each brand separately, simply just tap on the brand and it's going to open up, and then now you can start scheduling your posts directly on that brand. So I'm going to be using my client's brand, and what I'm going to do is click there and click on my client's brand, open it up, and then right there, because I've just connected just Facebook and Twitter, so now I can connect a LinkedIn account. So what I'm going to do is to click on connect account, and it's going to take me to where I can put in the information, but I already have Facebook and Twitter connected, so it's going to read the page already automatically, and it's going to show me if the client has a personal profile and a LinkedIn page. So it's going to open it up for me to select which of them I want to connect to this tool, so that I can automate posts to the site. So automatically, once a page is connected, you can see it goes directly to the analytics of that site. So you can see, look at the analytics, and then you can just go through it. You can also navigate through the different pages to check out the analytics. So this is for Facebook. You can also check for the different sites that you have already connected. All right, so let's go ahead to see how we can schedule posts on this site. So first up, go to the top where you see a small calendar tool which says planning. Click on that, and it's going to take you to this page. I'm going to open up a weekly calendar from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, right up to Saturday. On the left side of the calendar, you can see the different time periods. So you can schedule posts based on different days and time, and as well as the month of the year. So at the top, you can just toggle through the different months, and then you schedule posts. If you're working with a client who is in a different time zone, then what you can do is just come up here where it says date and time, click on the drop down arrow, and then select the time zone of the client. So this is just to ensure that the post goes up at the right time so that it reaches the right target audience. Another great feature about this website is that it analyzes your social sites and tells you the best time to post. So this is an example. This is for a client. I've already turned on the best time, which show, so you can see percentages within the calendar as well. So it gives you a percentage, that is when the greater percentage of your followers on that particular sites are going to be online to view your post. So the website is going to analyze your traffic and then gives you the best time to post. So you can toggle that on. Take note that if it's a new site without any posts, you're not going to see the percentages. So this is an old site. It already had some followers, it already have some posts on. So that is why I'm able to see the analytics. I'm going to turn that on so that I can see best time to schedule my post. Another feature is the ability to zoom in and out your calendar. Simply go to the top and then click the zoom icon, and then you can just drag and zoom in and out your calendar so it is more visible for you. You can also change the view of your calendar. Simply go to the little calendar icon right here, click on that, and you can change to a daily calendar or a weekly calendar or a monthly calendar. So you have that option, so you can choose what is best for you. All right, so based on the analysis of the website, I'm going to look for a time and day to post. So this looked like a great time. We have 80% of my followers are going to be available online. So I'm going to click on that, and then it takes me here where I can put in my post. So as you can see, you have the different sites at the top that I have already connected in this brand. So I'm going to go to the posts. I'm going to go to my Google Docs and then copy the post and then come back here and paste the post. Once that is done, I'm going to do some necessary edits. Of course, you can edit the post right within the website. You can also see a preview of how the post is going to look like on the social sites. You can see that is for Facebook. On the right, you can see how it's going to look like. Let's go to LinkedIn, click on the LinkedIn icon, and you can see the preview on the right on how the post is going to look once it is uploaded on LinkedIn. So tap on Twitter at the top to see how it's going to look like once it's on Twitter. As you can see right down here, you can see the little red. It says the maximum character allowed for a Twitter post is 280. So this is too much. You have 2,241 characters here, so it's too much. So what we're going to do is to edit each post based on the social sites. But before we do that, we're going to add in images. So I'm going to start with LinkedIn. Click on LinkedIn. If you come down here, you're going to see the different icons. You can click there to add images, GIFs, videos, stock images, stock videos. You can go to the right again. You're going to see where you can upload PDF files and documents. You can also add emojis to your text. Okay, so let's go ahead to add image. So I'm going to be adding a carousel image on LinkedIn. So I'm going to come to where it says add document, click on that and go to where it says click to select or drag your file. So I'm going to select this PDF document. So for LinkedIn, carousel images are PDF files. So I'm going to upload that. If you take a look at the bottom, you can see it is written in red that the Facebook does not allow the upload of PDF documents. So what we can do is to click on edit by network at the top there, so we can edit each post. So click on Facebook. When you turn on Facebook, you will be able to edit the post. So once that is turned on, you're going to see the little lock icon. So what we can do is come right up here where it says use templates, untick that little box. This is very important. Well, once you untick the little box, now you can edit anything and it's not going to affect the post that we have on LinkedIn. So I'm going to remove the image and then go to add multimedia, click on add image, and then I can just drag and drop an image that is supported by Facebook right here. All right, so you can again take a look at the preview on the right. So you can see this is how it's going to appear on Facebook. We have our image and we have our posts. Now we can also look at how it's going to appear on LinkedIn. Click on LinkedIn. You can see that our carousel image is untouched. Everything is looking prop. So it is using the same template. That is the first template we use. Now if you take a look, we have just LinkedIn and Facebook there. We can add Twitter. Just click on Twitter at the top and it's going to add up down. As you can see, it is written in red that the characters are just so much. So what we can do is to just edit it. Again, make sure you untick the use template box at the top and then just edit everything. All right, so once all the posts are looking right, so make sure you come down here, check the time and the date of when you want the post to be scheduled or posted, then click save and schedule. So as you can see from our calendar, the posts are right up there and have been scheduled for posting on that particular time and date. So you can go ahead to make or schedule more posts, and it's going to be uploaded to the social sites at the time that it has been scheduled for. Alright guys, so that is how I create and automate posting on my client's social media sites with this tool. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you had any question, please let me know in the comment section. I will do my best to answer all your questions. And again, if you found this video useful, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, as it is an encouragement for me to keep making such videos. Thank you so much for watching again, and see you in the next video.